Step that right leg up behind you in a downward facing dog. Drive that right leg forward outside the right hand. Slowly lower the left knee to the floor and then lower your upper body towards the ground on the inside of that right leg. Let that right leg push out to the side slightly or as much as you need, lowering your upper body on the inside, letting your left hip push forward, stretching your hip flexor and your hamstrings and adductors on the right leg opening up, using the weight of the upper body falling on the inside of that right knee. This is such a game changer exercise for your hips. If you're doing a lot of running and a lot of workout, this is one of my favorite poses to do on a regular to daily basis. So let's make it happen, guys. Get into it on a regular basis. Come back up onto your hands. Extend your left leg back off the floor before lifting your right knee up behind you. Change your legs over, lifting that left leg and stepping outside the left hand. Lower the right knee to the ground. Lower those elbows as close to or onto the floor as you can. You do not have to get your elbows down in order to experience a good quality stretch here. Don't force it. Use your exhalations to get deeper into the stretch. So breathe in, and as you breathe out, lower yourself further forwards and let your hips relax. Breathe into your hips. You can see my left knee pushing out to the side there. I'm opening up that adductor to really get deeper into that hip stretch. Letting my back fold forwards and come down, using the weight of my upper body to load the stretch even more. This is such a powerful stretch that you should really make sure it's part of your daily or bi-daily routine. Come up onto your hands, extend the left leg back and get back into your downward facing dog. Enjoy this one, guys. It's a real game changer.